Hey everyone, welcome to my new video. In this video, we'll go through the steps of creating the design you see here in Photoshop. The design consists of a bottle placed in the foreground with a dark background and a subtle green light creating an ambiance. Let's get started. First, we bring our object into the Photoshop screen and center it. Then we design the background. If we draw a green triangle with the pen tool and soften the edges, it will look like a green light in the background. We adjust the color of the bottle to match the environment and add lighting. Finally, we add the light reflections bouncing off the bottle to finalize the design. Here, we add a shadow to the bottom of the object. If you like this design, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. You will see more designs like this on our channel frequently. You can share your questions and ideas about the design in the comments section of the video. I am always happy to read your comments and get feedback from you. See you in our other videos. Take care. Goodbye.